Okay, so today I have a tutorial on how to add music to your application without increasing the file size. And to do this, you'll need a Windows Media Player component and two buttons, a text box, and a track bar. So let's get started. To add Windows Media Player, you want to choose an item, go to Components, scroll down to Windows Media, and add the Windows Media Player. I already have it, so once you do that, you can add a button. Actually, I had two buttons, a track bar, and a text box. Once you add those, you can click on the first button and type in dim music as new net.webclient text equals music.download string, and then here's where you Dropbox comes in. You want to have Dropbox on your computer. Create a new folder if you would like to. And you want to create a text file and add maybe a song that you would like to add to your program. Now in the text file, or actually first you want to get the link to the song, so you would go to your Dropbox, find the song you want, click share link, and we're not done yet. You want to open up your browser, paste in the link, and it'll bring up something like this. You want to right click the download button, click copy link address, and then go up to the URL and paste in the link, but do not hit enter. You want to erase these 5 numbers or letters, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Erase that, press enter. Now it will load the song. My computer's being slow because I'm recording. Let's try and load it again. Once it loads, you can it'll start playing the song. You can just pause it. But what you want to do now is copy this link address and paste it into the text file and save it. Now that you have it into this text file, you want to go to Dropbox, find your text file, share link, paste it in, and you want to find the direct link to this text, which is in the text file. You want to right click the download button, click copy link address, paste, and erase these numbers right here besides the question mark, and press enter, and that's the direct link to that. If you want to shorten the URL, you can erase from where it says .text, erase that, press enter, and that's a shorter link. Copy that and paste it into your download string. and then textbox1.text equals text. WMP stands for Windows Media Player. So Windows Media Player.url equals textbox1.text. So this, it's checking the website for this text file. Whatever's in the text file is transferred to the text box, and then whatever's in the text box loads into the Windows Media Player. And then for the second button is to play and pause the music. So you just want to name the button playing or whatever you would like. If button dot text equals playing, because it's named playing, then flat button to dot text equals paused, and then you want to add the function for Windows Media Player controls dot pause, so it pauses the song. Else, if flat button to dot text equals paused, then flat button to dot text equals playing, and then Windows Media controls play, so it plays the song. Flat button 3. I don't think we're using this one. That was when I had 2 buttons on there, but I figured out how to just make it 1 button to play and pause. Now for the track bar, you want to add a track bar. Windows Media Player .settings.volume equals flat track bar 1 .value, and then the value, so it goes up by 10. Now if I debug this, and press load music, it'll play the song. Now to make this cleaner, if you don't want to show this media player, you can set it to visible, invisible. You can change the text box to visible, which I'll do and make it nicer if you would like to see that. That way it looks nice, and you can debug it. Now when you press load music, it plays, and you just want to turn up the volume. And I'll show you that the pause button works. Paused. You turn down the volume, whatever. Click it again, it plays the music. So there you go. Hope you like it.